this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ton from Bybit to Trust Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have ton available in your Bybit wallet and you would like to transfer it elsewhere, such as your Trust Wallet, you can easily do this. So in order to get this process done and initiate this transfer from Bybit to Trust, sign into your account on the website and you will find the withdraw option. So to do this transfer, you need to go into the withdraw option. Once you choose withdraw, you will be able to initiate this process. You can also go over to your funding account, and at the right side of any available asset, you will find the withdraw option as well. Find ton and choose withdraw. Now on this example screenshot here, I have Bitcoin selected, but of course, you will select ton instead. Now you need to add the external wallet. This one is going to be from Trust. So click on add if you still haven't added your Trust wallet address. And when you click add, you will be taken into the address book. This is where you can add external wallets into Bybit, including your Trust wallet. So choose the add option, select the asset, which should be ton or any other available asset that you would like to transfer. And if you don't know your Trust wallet address, open the application, choose the option to receive from the home screen or after you select ton. And once you choose receive, you will be given the QR code and also the wallet address itself. So choose the copy option. And once you have copied this wallet address, you can paste it here to add your Trust wallet as an external funding wallet inside of Bybit. Once you have this wallet added, you can choose it from the options here. So choose Trust. The wallet address will be pasted, and now you can finish making this transfer. Be aware of any possible fees, include the amount, and confirm, and the transfer will be processed. I recommend sending a small amount first, and if the transfer goes through, you can go ahead and send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer ton from Bybit to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.